Welcome students, standard 9, subject mathematics 2 means geometry. Today we studied unit number 4 named as construction of triangles. To study the problem set 4.1, first we study the basic construction, which is perpendicular bisector of a segment. First we study this basic construction. See, for this one example, draw a segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. Draw its perpendicular bisector. See here. Draw segment AB of length 5.5 centimeter. First we draw segment AB of 5.5 centimeter, named as segment AB, which has length 5.5 centimeter. Now draw its perpendicular bisector. How can we draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment? Take a distance in your compass such that the distance is greater than half of the segment and draw the arc on both sides of the segments in this way. See here, and draw the line passing through these two intersecting points. To draw the line passing through, first check the segment passing through must be passing through these two intersecting points, and then draw a line. Now see here, this line named as L, which is the perpendicular of segment AB and also bisector. We use this basic construction to solve the problem set 4.1. Also remember that we also use the perpendicular bisector theorem. What is the statement of that theorem? See here. We revise the perpendicular bisector theorem. Also we use this theorem in problem set practice set 4.1. If we take a point P on line L and join this point to the end points of this segment AB and segment PA and segment PB. Join these end points of segment AB. See here, if we join this point, see here carefully, this distance and this distance is equal. Means if L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB, then every point on the perpendicular bisector must be equidistant from the endpoints of segment AB. Means if L is the perpendicular bisector of AB, then PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. We use, this is called as perpendicular bisector theorem in practice set 4.1. Now we study the practice set 4.1. Practice set 4.1. In this practice set 4.1, that examples are one type of the construction of triangle. Means this is called as construction first. Which type of the examples included in 4.1? See here. To construct a triangle when its base and angle adjacent to the base and the sum of the length of remaining sides is given. Means which elements we are given? Base is given one base angle is given and sum of remaining two sides is given. Then we construct a triangle. See example, construct triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Means QR segment is given. Angle Q means base angle Q and R. One of the base angle is given. Angle Q is equal to 40 degree. And sum of the remaining side in PQR, remaining side, if QR is the base, then remaining sides are PQ and PR. The sum of the remaining two sides is given. Means base is given, one base angle is given, and sum of remaining two sides is given. Then we construct the triangle PQR. To construct triangle PQR, first we must be draw a rough diagram. Rough diagram. What is the meaning of rough diagram? It is also called as reference diagram. To using this rough diagram, we draw triangle PQR. Means see here, roughly draw base QR which has length 4.2 centimeter. Denote here. Draw segment QR by hands. This is only rough diagram. Therefore, we do not take a scale on your measurements. QR is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Angle Q 40 degree. This is 40 degree. This sum take on this ray, for example, and take here 8.5 centimeter distance, sum of PQ plus QR, and name here except the point other than PQR, means name here for example X. Now join these points means join segment XR. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment XR. Here we draw the segment perpendicular bisector of segment SR, and where this perpendicular bisector intersect, name that point is called as QR, means this point is P, and join this point, means our required triangle is PQR. Means how can we draw? First draw QR segment having length 4.2 centimeter. Then draw angle Q which has measurement 40 degree. Take sum on this ray 8.5. Write here point other than PQR. We name here point X. Join these points X and R. Draw the perpendicular bisector of, for example, line L is the perpendicular bisector of XR. Where this line intersect, that point is P. Now join the point P and R. This required triangle is PQR. Now we draw this construction. How can we draw? First we take QR is a base which has length 4.2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4.2 means here QR is equal to 4.2 centimeter length. Then draw angle Q has measure 40 degree. Angle QR 40 means start from 0, 0, 10, 30 and 40 here. Draw the ray here. Here measurement is 40 degree. Now take a distance in your compass which has length 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter. Here 8.5 centimeter in your compass, and intersect an arc to this ray. Name that point is, we name as point here X. Now join these points, means point X and R. Now our last aim is to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment XR. See here. We draw the perpendicular bisector of XR. Take the distance in your compass greater than half of the segment XR. Draw arc on both sides. We intersect here, also intersect here. Now draw the line passing through these two intersecting points. See here. How can we draw? First check the line passing through must be passing through these two intersecting line points. Then we draw. Now this line is the perpendicular bisector of XR. Where this line intersects the ray, that point is, we denote here, point is P. Now join this point P and R. Join this point P and R. This is our required triangle. We shade here. See here. We revise again. First, we draw QR as a base. Take point Q, having measure angle Q is equal to 40 degree. Take the distance PQ plus PR. PQ plus PR. Now note here 8.5 centimeter. This distance has measurement 8.5. Name the point here other than PQR. We name here X. Now join point X and R. Draw the perpendicular bisector of XR. Where this line is intersect to the ray, that point is P. And join point P and R. We get required triangle PQR. Now see example number 2. Construct triangle XYZ in which YZ is equal to 6 centimeter. Sum of remaining two side is 9 centimeter and angle Y is equal to 50 degree. First we draw a rough diagram, means which is called as reference diagram. See here YZ has length 6 centimeter. Draw angle XYZ which has measure 50 degree. Take the sum 9 centimeter on this ray. Name as here point. Here this length is 9 centimeter. Note here. This point is denoted by except the point XYZ. Means here point we note that point A. Draw AZ. And then draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ. This is the perpendicular bisector of AZ. Where this line is intersect, that point is X, and join X and Z. Now we draw this construction, means construct triangle XYZ. See here. First we draw YZ having length 6 centimeter. YZ 6 centimeter. Take angle Y having length 50 degree. Draw a ray 50 degree. Now take the distance 9 centimeter in your compass and draw, means intersect this ray. Name as this point is in from rough diagram is A. Join point A and Z. Now our aim is to draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AZ in this way. Draw the arc on both sides. Draw the perpendicular bisector AZ. here, and draw a line passing through these two intersecting lines. Where this line is intersect, that point is X, and draw segment XZ. Note that this distance is 9 centimeter. Denote here. This angle is 50 degree. This measurement 6 centimeter. Denote here. This is the perpendicular bisector of AZ. And we said here this triangle is required triangle XYZ. Remember that this distance is 9 centimeter. This is a line perpendicular bisector of AZ. Means these distance are equal. Means every point on the perpendicular bisector must be equidistant from the end points of the segments. Means these two distance are equal. Means this distance and this distance is same. Therefore XY plus this 9 centimeter means XZ. XY plus XZ is equal to 9 centimeter. Here remaining two examples you solve yourself. Here practice set 4.1 is completed.